This 2021 Grand Design Momentum 29 Go is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 34 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 2, awning, oven, LP detector, air conditioning, leveling jacks, smoke detector, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, slide-out, refrigerator, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunk beds, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Grand Design Momentum 29 Go is 7,900 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.